What's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Fire Bear. If you're new here, welcome. We love you. And if you're a returning subscriber, wow, we love you so much. So today we're going to be doing advanced InShot tutorial like I promised, and we're going to be trying to add our own stickers, like our very own stickers on videos, like our own personalized stickers. Let me say your own picture, but in a cute way on your videos. I know that InShot can do that. InShot is as powerful as doing that, and we're also going to be finding another way to make the letters more flexible in this video. That's why it's longer. So what we just did right now is we just went to the background eraser app and then we cleaned off our video as usual. Then we are going into picsart. Now we're going into picsart to make this a subscribe. I want to make this picture my subscribe sticker, or like my subscribe animated sticker, if you understand what I mean. So I'm just going to go into InShot, and I'm going to go to the stickers I've used before, and I think I like that purple subscribe, so I'm going to put that to cover from one side of my picture to the other side, and I'm going to outline it with something that is going to make it pop, and I really like purple, so I'm going to use purple. Then I'm going to go into brushes, and I'm going to pick the appropriate brush for the sticker. So see that here is purple or lilac. I'm going to check for a lilac color brush, and I'm going to use it to outline my head quietly so that it matches the sticker. You see, looks almost ready made for me, most importantly, but yes, ready made. Voila, you see, we're done. So I'm just going to go to our video, check for the sticker that we just did, and then we're going to add it to our video right now. With InShot, it's the same process, but it's how will I put it now? It's the same process, but you have to be creative with the process. So we're going to look for a loop animation. A loop animation is basically an animation that keeps happening over and over and over again to whatever you apply it to. So I'm looking for the best loop animation for my sticker, and I'm going to use that one. And now I want to change it to another side of the video. So I'm going to look for another loop animation. I'm still thinking, like, where am I going to put this at? So I think I want to put it there. This is just an example. You can do so much better than that. So we're done with that. So that should be the end of the video. That's like 3 minutes to do that. I really hope you enjoyed this part of the video. Now we're going to the next part. Now remember, the first part of this video we told you that in order to make the letters move, you had to use fonts from inside InShot. Well, now no more. So we're just going to go to the Fonto app, and we're going to write a letter with any font that you pick, whatsoever font that you pick. And we're also going to be spicing up the letters in this particular video, just because we want to let you know that you can do almost anything with InShot if you have the supporting app for that. I'm just looking for the font I would like to use. So now I'm going to save my project, and I'm going to move on to the next stage.
Planetit Kreative.
Now we're trying to find the appropriate font for G. SG is just a company that I want to work with, so I'm just going to use their initials as an example. Let me say, so yes. Now we're going to go into picsart and put the G there. We're going to look for a glitter picture. I want to use glitter pink, and we're going to go to lighting, see how it goes into the picture, and I'm just going to save that I'm also going to do the same thing for S. I'm going to pick S, go to add photo, pick on a glitter, yes, spread it around the S, click on lighting. There we go. So I'm going to save it again. And you know what app we're going to next? Eraser app. We're going to go and erase out all the white from this picture. You see, so easy, so effective. Just pick on target and should get the majority color out, I guess. So we'll do that for S. Yes, so now we're done with the letters and we're going to save them. Now they're just stickers. Now we're going to go to inshot. We're going to pick, I'm going to pick a black background just because I want to show you an example. I'm actually going to implement this on an actual video so that you can see. I want to pick a black background and I want to show you guys how it works. Just an example, so you can get creative with every other thing I'm going to show you or I have shown you. You should be able to get creative. Import the files into inshot. G, spread G around. S, spread S. Can you see? So now that you have G and S, you can make the motions go differently. You can pick on them and make the motion go different. So you can go in, yes, S can do anything you want it to do, and you are not limited by any font whatsoever. You can go to font 1, you can get any font that you want. So this is another way of doing the letter logo. So let's play them together and see how it works. That's all we're doing right now. So I really hope that this was so easy for you. It was nice teaching you exactly what to do. We have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe. Take care.